Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Zoom meeting for Gmail. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. So scheduling a Zoom meeting is that you cannot basically do it directly from Gmail. There's basically no option there where you can compose and just make it specify a specific meeting. Even if you click on the on this this camera icon, it just doesn't work. So and it's actually going to transfer you to something called Google Meet, which we don't want. We want Zoom. So how we can do this is basically you need to have Zoom downloaded, and from Zoom you're going to open Zoom, and then after you have Zoom on, you're going to click on the schedule. Okay, now from the schedule you're going to name your Zoom meeting. In my case I'll name it discuss, and then you're going to click on the now you need to invite people first to your Zoom meeting, and then they need to accept it. Once they accept it, then you can invite them to this and make sure that they are going to get an invitation again on that specific time. So how we can do that, you're going to click on the attendees, and then you're going to click on invite a new contact. Then you're going to enter their email address. In my case I'm going to enter my email address, and then I'm going to click on add. Okay, once I click on add, an invitation has been sent to my email, and if I go open my email over here at Gmail and I refresh, as you can see I am going to get the email right, and as you can see I received a Zoom meeting, and I can accept the Zoom meeting and I'll be inside the Zoom meeting. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.